Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your US bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in usbank.com and click on enter. After that you will be redirected to official homepage of US Bank. Now at the top right corner you can find login button. Click on it. Select which type of account you want to log in, either it's online banking, online investing, business banking, commercial and corporate, or institutional. Now type in your username and check this box if you want to remember this username on this website. Now type in your password. Now click on this button to log into your US bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.